oxygen is flowing, the plastic bag may not inflate. A life vest may be found under your seat or between the seats as depicted on the safety information cards. In the event of a water evacuation, remove the life vest when instructed to do so by a crew member. Pull the red strap to open the container, remove the pouch, and pull the tab to one side to remove the vest. Place the vest over your head, wrap the strap around your waist, and insert the end into the buckle. Pull the strap to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down sharply on the red tab or blow in the red tube near your shoulder to inflate the vest. The vest is equipped with a water-activated light. The use of life vests for infants and small children may be found in the safety information card. An additional life raft is located in the overhead bin. Location and instructions for use of this additional life raft may be found in the safety information card. Also on that card, you'll find instructions for use of the escape lines. Escape lines are designed to assist customers evacuating through a window exit and while on the aircraft wing during a water evacuation. They are located in marked overhead bins in the mid-cabin. For everyone's safety and comfort, federal regulations require all customers to comply with posted placards and lighted signs throughout the cabin, as well as crew member instructions. A friendly reminder that smoking is not permitted on any Frontier flight, including the use of vape pens, and federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a lavatory smoke detector. Flight attendants are now passing through the cabin to conduct our final safety checks before takeoff. Please let us know if you have questions regarding the information covered in our safety briefing, and thanks again for choosing Frontier.
He's like, no.
That's the most expensive charge you get on Frontier.
Is this Ryan Air?
I was like, look, they need to be done anyway, so I'm looking.
You know, you have a seat. What is he have to fly Ryan Air? It's so experiencing.
It's not that bad, they just charge for everything.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'll use the cabin lights for takeoff. If you require any additional lights, there are reading lights located above your seats. Also, a friendly reminder, if you plan on using your personal electronic devices, tablets, cell phones, etc., just please make sure you have your earbuds in or headphones on for the comfort of the passengers around you. Thank you and enjoy your flight to Salt Lake City.
special one.